Hey everyone, my name is Lauren Spaulding. I'm here with the American Marketing Association at Florida State University.
So, what is the American Marketing Association here at FSU?
AMA at FSU is one of the most impactful student organizations on campus. We are currently ranked number 7 in the country out of over 300 chapters nationwide. We have bi-weekly meetings where we have speakers come from Fortune 500 companies, and they talk to us about the corporate world and how they got into their careers, and they give us advice on how we can get there ourselves.
This is important because it gives us real-world knowledge on what we can expect our lives to look like after we graduate. It also ensures that we put our right foot forward in entering into our careers. Yes, this is our recruitment video. So our goal is to recruit you to join AMA. Now, I don't just want to recruit you for AMA, I want to show you what you're missing out on. Here are a few testimonials from current AMA members.
This is my first year in AMA.
I've been in AMA for 2 years now.
This is my 3rd year in AMA.
I jumped right into being like a director. I do the website development, put in a position where I can go and network, connect with a whole bunch of other AMA members from across the country.
When I first joined AMA, I didn't have a LinkedIn, I didn't really have a resume, I didn't even own business, professional clothing. I really just developed myself and gotten a lot of opportunity through AMA.
For someone that is on the fence about joining AMA, what do you feel like are a few things that you would tell them to get them off that fence?
I would honestly tell them that joining AMA was the best decision I made in college. Some of the greatest people I know I've met through AMA. I got my internship through AMA and gotten an idea of what life outside of college is like.
So my proudest moments with the Florida State University American Marketing Association is hosting our first ever in-person regional conference. 85 students in attendance from 5 different universities.
My favorite moment in AMA is getting to go to the Whitewater Conference this year. I had so much fun competing and putting myself out there. It's really hard having a good, perfect pitch and like being in front of someone and having judges there. And so it was really good for my professional development.
I'm happy to say, I love it so far. Thanks, AMA.
The easiest way to join is to reach out to us on our Instagram at AMA_FSU. We are open to all majors and it's never too late to get involved. So reach out to us today. Thank you for watching.